So we're at the Zhaori Wenquan, Zhaori Hot Springs. That means sunrise hot springs, roughly translated. And as you know, this morning we were up on the bluff waiting for the sunrise. It never happened. I mean, it happened, but we didn't see it because of the clouds. So now we're down at the hot springs part. There are basically two parts to this hot spring. This is the more traditional part. During high tide, these pools are actually covered. And then there's a more modern part over there that we'll take a look at later on. I actually prefer this part because it has a lot of the traditional feel to it. You can see here, these pools right now, nobody's in them because unfortunately, because of COVID, they've been closed for a while, but they're gonna open in a few days and people will be able to use them again. Each of these pools is heated by ocean water that is coming up and heated deep below the ground and comes up and heats these pools. Each one has a different temperature because they're heated by a slightly different part of the spring. So it's quite an experience to come here and experience the natural hot springs. There are only 3 of these in the world. One of them is in Sicily, the other one is in Kyushu, Japan, and then this one in Taiwan. So this is another special of the Zhaori Wenquan here in Liudao. They have this well here where the ocean water is coming up at a very hot temperature and you can cook things in it. Your eggs, your corn, and heat it up. We just had a couple put their eggs in and now we have another young couple who is going to put their eggs in. 放进去看看吧，8分钟. We'll put it over here. I have my pathetic little egg here and I'm also going to cook this. You know, in Taiwanese culture, food is very important. So if you can go to the hot spring and cook your own eggs, it's quite a great experience. I'm also going to wait my 8 minutes. In a sec, we'll test it and I'll tell you what it's like. So the first one is at 8 minutes. We're going to take it out. Let's see if it's okay. All right, here's the test. Let's see if it really works. Oh, not yet. 好吃啊. So 8 minutes is to soft-boiled eggs. If you want hard-boiled eggs, I think it's more like 12 minutes. Oh. Okay.